Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Tesla. What's my Tesla position? Well, I believe due to everything that Elon Musk has done and the overall market and the Fed and everything else, I've got a new price prediction for Tesla. And I'm going to tell you how I'm going to get to $100,000 on my portfolio by the end of this year. And I'm currently at 33. If you want all that information, smash the like button. Have you smashed it? Very, very important to smash the like button. You done it? All right, good. Have you clicked subscribe as well? Above my head is a subscribe button. I go live up to 10 hours a day. Click subscribe and what? I can't even remember what I was going to say then. I made this video during a live show. What the heck? Subscribe to it. I don't know. Feels good, right? Subscribe to my channel and you'll get breaking news as I bring it throughout the day, up to 10 hours a day. Right. If you want to know how I'm going to get to $10,000 on my portfolio, click up here and that will take you to that video. And that's the video which tells you my exact strategy to get to $100,000 by the end of this year. Now, Tesla. I am bullish on Tesla. I love what Tesla are doing. However, Elon Musk is a bit of a clown. He's damaged the brand beyond recognition. However, that's not the main reason why Tesla is down. It's down because the overall markets are down. Inflation is still, it has peaked, but it's still high. The Fed are still holding the rates up and they're going to hold them up for another year. But the main reason why Tesla is down, it's down to Robinhood. What do I mean by that? Well, retail investors piled in. We all got carried away. We all thought Tesla was going to the moon, and I hate that phrase. It was made up by crypto YouTube broadcasters. Silly phrase, absolutely ridiculous. But young, impressionable Robinhood investors, and I am a Robinhood investor. This is my Robinhood account. We all got carried away. We all got excited. We all thought Tesla was going to the moon, going up and up forever, and we overpaid for it. At the end of the day, we should have sold it when it went up, and it would have controlled the stock. It went too high. Now, Tesla is quite good right now. The valuation is a lot better than before. In fact, if we look closely at it, its PE ratio now is showing, let me just scroll into it. Let me just show you where it is. I'm probably looking at it. 35. There we go. 35. That is backward, I know. And we are now looking at maybe around 16, 17 going forward. But remember what that really means. And we all get carried away with this. That means 17 times earnings. Well, think about that. If I was going to offer you a can of Coke, and that can of Coke normally sells for $1, and today I'm going to give you a half price, 50 cents, you'd buy it. Good value. But if I said to you, would you pay 17 times the value of this can of Coke? So it's 17 times one. So it's $17 now for a can of Coke. Would you pay for it? If one day I tell you you're going to be really thirsty in a year from now, trust me, you're going to love this can of Coke for $17. Would you pay it? Of course you wouldn't. Well, that's what we did with Tesla. We got carried away. No one's going to tell you that Tesla is not a rubbish company. I like Tesla. I'm bullish on it. But you know what? I'm here to make money. I'm not here, it's a bit of bad language. I'm not here to play along with Elon Musk games. I'm not here to play silly buggers on Twitter, all the nonsense and the Reddits and the tweets and the gossip and the stupidity that goes on, all the overpaying. I'm here to make money, period. I'm here to grow my portfolio, period, to $100,000, which started at $5,000, which is now at $33,000. By the end of this year. That's my aim. And if you want to know how I'm going to get to $100,000, click up here and I'll take you that'll take you to that video and how I'm going to get there. Anyway, right now, however, Tesla is getting better value, but it's still expensive. It is. Remember, old money, it's still $330 a share. It's not nothing, all right? Because of the split, it seems cheaper, and we're all getting carried away. It sounds so cheap, but $300 or $109, it isn't. It's better than it was, but what I'm doing is I'm scalp trading it. Now, this is my position. I've got a very small position. I used to have a position of over 40 shares. I've got 7 right now, and if we get a nice big rally today, prior to earnings, because we know earnings is going to be good, even though we know it's going to miss expectations, which means it will drive it down even further. If we get a nice 10% rally today, I'll take some profits. because I'm not married to the stock. I just want to make some money because it will go lower and I'll buy some more. Now I am going to I have a Roth IRA, which I'm going to bring in $2,000 a month cash into my Roth IRA, get a 1% gift from Robinhood. Thank you very much indeed for the match. Love that, by the way. Great innovation from Robinhood. Love it. Free money. No matter how small 1% is, I'll take it. And I will start buying Tesla along with the S&P 500 because I know that the S&P is going to be here forever. I know Tesla is going to be here in 5 and 10 years when I need to take my pension. I know that, so I'm happy to add more, but I'm going to do it that way with my free money from Robinhood, and I'm going to hold it. This, however, is my main brokerage account. This is where I'm scalp trading in and out and taking profits on a day-to-day basis. So even though I'm bullish on Tesla, I'm waiting for it to go lower. It will go lower. Some people even predict as low as $60 a share. Jim Cramer says it's going to $16 a share. I think that's absolutely ridiculous. And why it's absolutely ridiculous, and I don't even believe he ever said it, which he did, I was there when he said it, is the fact is, doesn't matter if you think Tesla is worth $16. It won't hit $16. It can't. Because on the way down, more and more people will feel it's more and more attractive and it will buy it up. And what drives the stock up? Simple. People buying it. It won't get to $16. There's not a hope in hell it'll get to $16 because I'd buy it myself. If it got to 20, I'd remortgage the house to buy it at 20. Not literally, of course, but you know what I'm saying. And other people do the same. So it ain't going to $16. Jim Cramer, you're talking absolute rubbish. You know it and everybody else does as well. Great entertainment, though. It's good for your show. I like that. But so that's my position. That's where I think Tesla's going. That's how I'm playing it. What do you think? Leave me your thoughts below, and I will comment back to everyone's comments. First priority, of course, is our members. I reply to every one of my members' comments. If you want to be a member, links are below. So there you go. What do you think of that? That's my Tesla plan. That's how I'm going to get to $100,000 by the end of this year. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other.